Getting that gravel delivered.
So we could rake it over carefully over our plastic and smoothing it out as we went, raking out this base gravel with the digging and the raking.
We're putting about the same thickness as these flat stones are. So we started laying out the decorative gravel called Golden Path.
Journey of the garden pathway.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.
We ordered in gravel for our gravel path base.
Getting that gravel delivered.
Get the delivery driver to drop the gravel in a convenient location.
So we dumped that in the perfect spot. It's out of our way, but easily accessible. Nice dump on that one.
How much I will and won't do for you. Can you tell me what I will do?
We just dumped the gravel in manageable piles so we could rake it over carefully to not create overlaps with our plastic.
I will without any hesitation. I'm lonely. I'm lonely. I'm not lonely when I'm with you.
We just kept adding gravel over our plastic and smoothing it out as we went. Raking out this base gravel is the fun part of the project. After all the hard work we've done excavating all the dirt and cutting through the roots, placing our timbers down, it's very satisfying spreading this gravel around.
Now the end would know it's coming. We left our lives the way we want, without fear.
On this particular project, I was really lucky to have my client help me out with the digging and the raking.
I'd say I wouldn't have if you weren't there. But I didn't, we didn't make the most of it. So we'll make the rest the most of all we can. I'm lonely. I'm lonely. I'm not lonely. When I'm with you.
At this stage of the project, I like to really kind of relax and enjoy the process, take my time, and sort of get into a meditative state. Listen to the birds, feel the sun on my face, and just really enjoy this process.
That completes our base gravel bed.
Sometimes I feel lonely in my head, and I want to go over there instead. But I want to be happy. Never give up the way we feel.
We're just coming to the end for finishing off our pathway here. We added to the paving work we did earlier for this front yard job, terracotta paving, which you can also check out on my YouTube channel. This was just to sort of add an organic section to the garden area. So I started laying out the decorative gravel for this pathway. It's called Golden Path. We used a base layer of the black gravel because it's good for compacting, it's really solid and good for drainage. We're putting about 30 mil of this decorative light coloured gravel over the top. We're putting about the same thickness as these black stones are, which is about 30 mil. And once that compacts down, it'll hold pretty well. And you can always top dress it in 6 months from now if you get some low areas. So we've created a mix that's like 50% of this special pebble mix and 50% packing sand to help it pack down tighter. Give yourself a really solid path. We just mix it up here on a tarp so we can keep control of our product.
I will without any hesitation. I'm lonely. I'm lonely. I'm not lonely when I'm with you.
Now that we're towards the end of our project, we can stop and reflect on all the hard work we've done to get it to this point. The excavation, the paving stones we selected, all the recycled materials we used like the plastic and the timber, building the timber frame, planning out how the pathway would fit into the existing garden. It's a lot of fun and satisfying putting in the last piece of this gravel to complete our golden pathway. There was some hard work involved, but in the end, we ended up with a really satisfying result. Laying the plastic down, selecting the right formula of gravel for a satisfying look,
Now the end will know
adding our base gravel,
it's coming.
The very last shovelful.
We left our lives the way we want, without
and
fear.
then finally putting this decorative golden path gravel on top.
They told me all the time I'd have no chance. I'd say I wouldn't have if you weren't there. But I didn't, we didn't make the most of it. So we'll make the rest most of all we can. I'm lonely. I'm lonely. I'm not lonely when I'm with you.
Thanks for joining me this week on my YouTube channel. Check the link below, and while you're at it, hit the subscribe button or make a comment so I can help you with your future construction solutions. And don't forget to follow our channel for more ideas and how-to tips for home and garden projects.